Well, g'day everyone. Well, we're here in a workshop again. We're testing out some more 12 volt goods, and you guys are gonna think we're going nuts. We've already brought out the 12 volt rice cooker. We've brought out the 12 volt air fryer. What could be next? Well, welcome to the 12 volt pressure cooker. So why use all these 12 volt cooking devices? Why even have one in your vehicle? Well, we run into all these different elements while we're camping outside in Australia. So I'm not saying to go out there and stop using your Dutch ovens or stop using your gas flames or stop using your barbecues, etc. Still use those. However, on the days where there might be a fire ban or maybe a very windy condition where your gas flame might not be working or you can't even have a fire outdoors, these things come in handy. So this pressure cooker, like the air fryer and the rice cooker, is also 12 volt. This is rated from 120 watt to 200 watts of power. We're about to demonstrate now a lamb shank to be cooked within 30 minutes, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so we're gonna cook up a lamb shank in the pressure cooker. So we're gonna add a bit of salt. See, I'm gonna be eating this afterwards. Got a little bit of pepper. And I brought some rosemary to put in there as well. Who doesn't like rosemary with their lamb? Now this is our prototype model. So it may look a little bit different when you get the actual pressure cooker. So we'll put these, whack them in there. Now I'm just going to close that, and I'm going to let the lamb cook in its own fat. For this device we're using a sticky plug, which I'll put into the back. Okay, so the pressure cooker is on. Now we're going to set our function mode to tendon, and we're going to set it down to 30 minutes. Okay. And that's cooking. So we'll come back in 30 minutes and see how that lamb shank looks. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes right now. We're gonna go check on the lamb shanks, and I'm pretty sure they're done. Just gonna let out some of the steam from the actual steamer. We'll open it up, see how they go. Wow, and they're cooked. Come have a look at that, guys. Okay, so let's get that onto our plates. I just fell off the bone as well, so it's really tender. And that's only just been 30 minutes inside that pressure cooker. So look how cooked that is. It's really hot. It's so good. There's another piece right there. You've got the bone marrow even coming out of the bone. So it's cooked it perfectly. Mate, that's pretty good. 30 minutes in the 12 volt pressure cooker. 120 watts. So it's probably about 12, say 15 amps of power. It's pretty good. So if you want some more information on this 12 volt pressure cooker, head over to aussieoffroad.com.au and head over to our camping section where you'll be able to find cooking equipment. You'll find all this as well as a 12 volt air fryer and a rice cooker and a few other things as well. This is just our prototype model at the moment. However, in the next 2 to 3 months, you should see this available very soon.